Shiela Guo and Cassandra Ong, the two very high-profile individuals repatriated yesterday, will remain detained at an NBI facility throughout the long weekend. That is while authorities prepare the full charges against them.
Now, Guo and Ong's lawyers, however, have begun to question the grounds of their detention, saying there's no legal basis for the women to be detained for days at the NBI.
Shiela Guo was also found with a Chinese passport under the name Zhang Mier when she was apprehended in Indonesia. Elaine Fulgencio has the big story.
It's been a day since Shiela Guo, the sister of former Bamban Mayor Alice Guo and Coco Incorporator Cassandra Ong, were brought back to the Philippines from Indonesia. They remain in the custody of the National Bureau of Investigation, or NBI. Prior to this, Guo was subjected to an inquest by the Immigration Bureau last night for violations of the immigration law and the Philippine Passport Act. Shiela Guo was found with a Chinese passport under the name Zhang Mier when she was apprehended in Indonesia. A fingerprint analysis conducted by the NBI confirmed that Guo and Zhang are the same person.
Comparative fingerprint analysis shows that the Chinese Zhang Mier and Shiela Leal Guo are one and the same person. So, iisa yun. So, we can conclude na si Shiela Leal Guo na nasa amin ngayon ay isang Chinese.
Guo is now accused of misrepresenting herself as a Filipino citizen while being a Chinese national. On the other hand, Ong, who holds a Philippine passport, was not charged by immigration authorities. However, she still faces charges of obstruction of justice and violation of immigration laws for illegally exiting the country.
Well, I think it's quite clear naman from the situation kung bakit obstruction of justice ang kakasuhan natin sa kanya.
But according to Guo's lawyer, Attorney Stephen David, there is only an arrest order from the Senate against Guo.
Wala namang kaso si Shiela eh. She was not even charged before any court. She was just being sought in the Senate. What is that? Pagka umapil siya sa Senate, ano ba yun? Tapos na yun. Hindi ka na pa fugitive pagka contempt ka ng Senate. Malayo yun, malayo yung harboring.
Ong's lawyer, Attorney Ferdinand Topacio, also questioned the women's detention at the NBI, especially since Ong is not facing any charges yet.
Yung sinasabi nilang obstruction of justice, do they have personal knowledge of the elements of the crime? Harboring a fugitive, do they have personal knowledge of the findings, of the facts involved in the crime? Wala eh. Ang merong warrant we will concede is the House. Therefore, upon repatriation of Miss Cassandra Ong, they should have gone to the BI and surrender the person of Miss Cassandra Ong to the Sergeant at Arms of the House of Representatives.
Topacio also hinted about using this legal remedy against the DOJ.
Why is she here? Yun ang kini-question namin. Anyone who causes the arrest of any person without legal grounds is liable for arbitrary detention.
The charges to be filed against Guo and Ong are bailable, but it's also possible that the two could face more serious charges. Reporters tried to get a statement from Guo and Ong, but they just run away from the media. For now, Guo and Ong will remain at the NBI detention facility. The two still need to be charged, but the NBI was affected by the holiday. The agency clarified that their detention is not considered a violation of the reglementary period.
Remember, holiday tayo. Hindi umaandar yung reglementary period na 36, 12, 18, 36. Hindi umaandar yun dahil walang office available. So, maaandar lang yun magmula nung pagka-aresto namin kagabi hanggang mag-uumpisa uli, Martes na.
The DOJ also defended their decision to bring Guo and Ong to immigration and the NBI instead of the Senate and House, which were the ones who issued arrest orders for them to begin with.
Meron din kaming reason to take custody and to charge them with several crimes. So, it was a very unique situation, kaya maganda na nag-usap-usap kami kahapon. And we all came into agreement na we will just go through the proper process, which is for the law enforcement agencies to do their job first. Booking, inquest, take custody.
According to the Senate, the NBI has promised to turn over the individuals to them after the inquest proceedings. This is to allow them to appear at the hearing on Tuesday regarding Pogos.
Sino yung mga tumulong sa kanilang pondohan itong Pogo Hub sa Bamban at sa Porac? Ano yung operation nito? Gaano kalawak? Alam natin, transnational crime to. May mga money launderers sa Singapore, sa ibang bansa. Sino-sino yung mga yon? Pangalawa, kung merong mga government officials na tumutulong sa kanila o nakasabwat dito, sabihin na rin nila.
If they do not speak, they will remain detained in the Senate. Lawmakers say they may also be transferred to Pasay City Jail if they do not cooperate with the hearing. As of press time, booking procedures and inquest proceedings for Guo and Ong at the NBI have been completed. Reporting for News 5, Elaine Fulgencio, We Are One News.